Let's talk. Let's talk. It's been a while. I just finished a boxing class, kickboxing class. It's Friday. And been doing this class for almost 2 years, boxing, kickboxing. Somewhere I wonder, am I seeing any results? Why am I going? Sometimes you wonder. You do things, you pick up things, you have a reasoning mind that says, yeah, I'm doing this because of this. It's because I'm doing this because I'm doing this because there's always a reason behind why we do what we do, and fair enough. Otherwise, why should we do anything in life, right? But sometimes, as much as we want to start with why we do what we do, sometimes I feel there are no answers. Like, what if there was no why? What if there was no reason? What if I was doing it because I was doing it? I mean, there is no reason behind it. There is no why behind it. As much as I'm a big fan of why, because our reasoning propels us, our big why fuels us and drives us towards something. It's because of this that I'm doing this. You know what I mean? But then I wonder if everything has to be because of a why. You're constantly searching for answers. You're constantly trying to find a good reason enough. It's a good reason enough for me to do this. It's a good reason enough for me not to do that. And we go back and forth. If you were to ever ask yourself why you do what you do, a lot of us we build a career, we build a life because we will get XYZ. We enter relations because we want some people, we don't want some people in our life. It is because it's always there is a because of it. It's like this, cause and effect. Because and then so, but what if there was just no reason? What if we didn't allow the mind to take over all the time? What if, for example, I've been toying with the idea, I've always asked myself this question: why should people walk with me? Because, let's put it this way, because I have this social media account and YouTube videos, and even though I've created all these videos, let's just be honest, there's not enough people, which I feel there should be, because I am putting something valuable out there. I'm putting a new perspective, and I'm sure there are like-minded people. And even it's not about like-minded people, it is about people. And I've always asked myself this question: why should people walk with you? What are you offering? It's not like I'm selling anything. I'm just putting out my ideas and my perspectives out there. Whether people take it or not, whether people resonate with it or not is a different matter altogether. But that doesn't mean that they don't walk with me, or let's say join me on my account, because I don't like to use the word follow. I've always wondered that, and then I guess the reason is, again, the reasoning mind says, we need to come up with a why. We need to, how do I say this, have a concrete reason as to why, within our own self, as to why people should walk with us, or be there on our Instagram account, or like our videos, or comment, or whatever. I've not found a good reason enough in my own mind, probably within my own self. that sometimes I wonder that that is the very reason there are not enough people around, you know. And even if they watch it, there are viewers, but they're silent viewers, you know, and I have no idea who's there, who's not there. So somewhere along the line, I have no idea who my audience is as such. But then I wonder, do I need to know? Do I need to have a concrete reason why? Like how they say, no, okay, find your niche, find your reason why you're starting this. My reason is quite personal. It's a personal blog, even though I started in the form of being the change, and I had absolutely no clue what all I knew was that I wanted to be the change and go on this path of self-transformation. And it's I never knew that I will come this far on my journey, because when I started, I mean, sometimes when you start, you just don't know, except for the next step. And you continue taking the steps. It's not like you know the whole path, because sometimes it can be overwhelming. So you should never really know your whole path, but you should trust enough that, yeah, okay, this is going to be my next step. And it's not like I had 10 steps in mind when I started it. I just knew I had to start it. So I've never had a good reason enough in my mind that why should people walk with me. I'm a stranger. They don't know me. But then, now that I'm doing this video, talking out loud, I'm wondering, do I need a reason? Does everything need to be reasoned? Should I have, because what your reason is completely different. Why should I create reasons in my mind, or because of this they should walk with me, or because of this they should start watching my videos or something? Why should I create reasons in my mind when clearly there are so many different kind of people in this world that they should have their own reasons, or not even reasons, they should just feel like, yeah, okay, I want to be walking with her, or I like what she's creating, or for no reason. Sometimes we follow random accounts for no reason. So now I'm thinking, what if there were no reason for people to walk with me? Would they still walk with me? I mean, absolutely, I'm not giving you any reason why. I'm not promising anything that this will happen, that will happen, I will do this for you, I will do that, I will create this kind of content, because I myself don't know. I'm going along the way, I'm taking the next step forward, I'm trusting this path. So I cannot promise anything except the fact that let's walk together. And then let's not have a reason enough, because reasons can change, mind can change, everything can change. But sometimes you do things in life without reason. Is that possible? Now I'm asking myself this. You know, so I hope you got some gist of what I'm trying to convey here, because often we do things in life because, you know, what if there was no cause? Would we still do it, you know? Just like, there's no reason, there's no reasoning mind. It's just, you want, you know, don't rack your brains as to why. Don't give yourself reasons as to why you want to walk with me, or why you want to watch this video. Sometimes these random videos pop up on my account, and I'm just watching. It's not like I decided that today I want to laugh and I need some laughter, so let me go find some short reels that are gonna make me laugh, like some comedy or something. I don't sit and do that. You know, it just randomly pops, and I'm like, okay, now is the time to laugh, let's just laugh it. So there's no reason behind it, right? The same way, what if there were no reasons and my videos were to just pop across people's media social feed, and they're not actively searching for it, but they just came across it and they're like, okay, this is the person, quite interesting, let me just start walking with her, let's see. You know, there's just no reason behind it. They're not actively even searching for it. It's just that you just connected. It just pops up on your feed, or it's just something completely unlike you. It is what is because not everybody is going to have a same philosophy in life. We have different philosophies. We live by different habits. We live by different thought patterns. We live by different cultures. So not everything is going to be resonating. But that's the beauty of it. Isn't that the beauty of it? How do different people live? How do different people function? It's not for us to judge them, but it is just to see that there are many different ways of living, and let's not stick to one thing for the entire lifetime. If this is working for us, okay, today it is working for us, let's live like this, let's follow this philosophy, or let's walk by this kind of a thought pattern. But the day will come when it is not going to work for us. When it's time for us to shift, then what? Are we ready to adapt to different philosophies, different thought patterns, different ways of living? If so, then how are we to know that there does exist different ways of living, different ways of a worldview? How do we know if we have not even explored the different possibilities, if we are not even aware of the different possibilities? You know what I mean? So as much as I was asking myself, why should people walk with me, why should they watch my videos, what am I doing except for sharing my life journey and how I'm turning it around? Am I successful? Am I even going, how do I say this, how do I say this in the right word? Am I even progressing? Which I think I am, but how am I to measure it? So all these questions then they make me think that why I need a good reason in my mind that why should they follow me. But now I'm questioning that very reasoning mind, that should there be a reason for people to follow me? Today is a day and age where we are connected in such beautiful ways that we don't need reasons. So what if there were people willing to just walk with me or see the videos and see if they resonate? Not even resonate, it is okay, because their philosophies are different, but there's no reason for them to still be there. Share a heart, share a comment, how they see the world. I mean, not everything has to be agreed upon. We need to find out for ourselves if this works or not, for us. So I'm now questioning that reasoning mind, and I'm like, do I really need a why in my mind, or do people really need a why in their mind, why they should watch my videos, or you know what I mean, walk with me, see what I have to offer, listen to these perspectives that I come up with. Is reasoning unnecessary? Do I need to answer a why? Even though I started with a why, now I'm asking myself, do we need to start with a why? Can we just start for no reason? Can we just do things for no reason? It's like, how they say love is unconditional or something. Can we love without any reason? No reason, I just love. Like, kind of, to give you an example, I will stop this now. Hope you got something of value. This was so impromptu, but and I had absolutely no how do I say this? I had absolutely no idea that what I'm going to talk about, but this is the trust that I've built with myself, that when I say let's talk, the right things come out, and I would say willing enough, confident enough to post this, hoping that it reaches the right, I would not say right people anymore, I would say it reaches everyone, and they are willing to listen to it for no reason, because they just want to listen. So yes, have a good day everyone, and remember, next time you are asking yourself a big why, and yes, I'm a big fan of a big why. It fuels you, it propels you in life. Sometimes do things without reasoning. Don't reason all the time with your reasoning mind. Don't find the answer to your why. Sometimes just do it. Just do it. Even though you got no reason to do it, but just do it, you know, if you know what I mean. I hope you understood the essence of what I'm trying to tell you here. So yes, see you. Bye.